Hey guys, what's up? Jessica Kubasi here. In today's video, I'm doing something that you guys have been asking me to do for a very long time, even though I've done it before. But it's fine. I don't think anyone noticed, but it's fine. So you guys have been asking me to shoot with a male model. And I don't know why. It's like I've done it before, but for some reason you guys just want another whole photo shoot with me and a guy. What are you guys trying to do here? So me and my sisters and my Lebanese cousin were watching this beauty pageant from Lebanon. It's called Mr. Lebanon. Don't ask you guys, I don't know. I'm not responsible for this. So we were just watching it for fun, and he was a contestant on the show, so I was thinking it would be really cool because he probably has, modeling experience, and he's good in front of crowds. So, the streets of Lebanon, the streets of Beirut should be no problem for him, even though they might be for me. So I got you guys a beauty pageant runner-up. Okay, so I don't want to hear you guys asking me to do this again, okay? Lebanon, a place where my family's from, and I'm from. I've never actually done a photo shoot here with my actual DSLR, so we're just gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna be speaking a mix of Arabic and English, so we're gonna get those subtitles for you guys. He's gonna be here at 5, and I'm gonna go eat and then get ready for this shoot, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, Jessica Kubasi here. We're in Beirut, Lebanon, and I have today's male model. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hey guys, it's Adi Fakhreddin, 4th runner-up Mr. Lebanon.
So today we are just going to be doing a pretty casual, normal portrait shoot. I'm doing indoors first, and then we're going to head outside. So have you shot around the streets of Lebanon before?
No, it's the first time.
Really?
Here in Hamra, yeah, but usually I do studios.
Are they going to بيعيطوا علينا?
ما بفتكر no.
I'm keeping it pretty simple. I'm using my 5D Mark III and then my 50 1.4 lens. We're gonna go ahead and start, so we'll just go ahead and start.
Stay tuned, yeah.
See, okay, guys are easy to photograph. You don't need to do too much. Easier than shooting women. You don't have to really say much.
Are they good?
Yeah, they're great. Yeah, it's just with women you can like pose like
pose a lot, yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't tell you like to put your hand on the couch and stuff. So like lift your head up a little bit. Bring the box of cheeses?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
You want to model them? Maybe they'll sponsor you.
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, okay. No.
not sponsored by cheeses, but
عم تعمل دعاية على اليوتيوب، تعملين دعاية؟
نعم.
عم تعملين دعاية.
That's a شوي. Yep, keep moving like you're looking in the fridge. Right now I'm trying to be like Brandon and turn on the lights that are directly behind him. Yeah, these are nice. Okay, so we're outside now. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I forgot my microphone upstairs. I actually brought it for this purpose, and I just don't want to go back up. So hopefully you guys can hear me and you guys like these pictures. Just like looking for these pictures. So just casual. You're just chilling here. You're waiting for the bus or something.
There's no bus here.
The bus that never comes. Looking towards, walk backwards and looking towards.
Should I leave?
No.
Okay.
What if it rolls over and then,
No,
it hurts,
it
and then
won't.
it ruins the apartment?
It's not final destination.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Mike.
I'm dying. It's not Final Destination. You ever get thirsty? Just come out. This is the drinking tree. Why did they put that? ليه بيحطوها هيك؟
الله يمكن
من الحمام؟
يقيسين. لا أكيد مش حمام وقع علي. I'll save water.
We care about you. That's why we don't want you to, have to take another shower. This is really awkward for me to walk around Lebanon with a camera. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's do
أول
one
مرة
here.
تعمل شيء هنا.
Yeah. And I've been here like 7, 8 times. That's good. That's perfect. That's very good. Yeah, look in here. Look right here. Yeah, look how these are neat. These are nice, huh? And neat, yeah. See right there? You just like doing like looking this way? Yeah. So that's the end of the photo shoot. How are the pictures?
Amazing. I like it.
انت شفت يعني
شفت؟
واحد او اثنين صور؟
نعم.
كانوا منيح؟
Can't wait to see all of them.
Yeah, inshallah. Me too. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
You said this is your first time shooting outside.
Yeah,
How
like
was
that,
it?
yeah.
How was it?
It's a great experience, especially people looking at you.
Have you ever had that before?
No, first time.
I think it was pretty good. My first time here, we didn't stay outside for too long. I'm actually like sweaty right now, so I'm about to go.
Yeah.
I'm about to go with Hammam. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have Hadi's link below. Is there anything you'd like to say? Last words?
No, it's nice to meet you, and I like your job, and make sure they follow me on Insta.
Okay,
Yeah.
there you go. You heard it there. That's not a threat.
No, it's not a threat. I'm
not a
friendly.
threat.
I'm friendly, guys.
He's very nice. So we're gonna tag Hadi's Instagram down below. Go ahead and tell him hello, and we would love to thank him for coming out here to do this photo shoot. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys later.
Love you guys. Bye.